Hi, I'm Allie with PotomacBeads, and in this Better Beader episode, we are going to go over what it means when something is labeled silver. This is going to be a cautionary tale to look into the descriptions, the details, do some research, and just don't read the headline of the actual product or what you're purchasing. Think about what the words mean when you're looking at silver or gold. What does the word silver mean and what does the word gold mean? You need to dig a little bit and do a little bit of research to make sure that we're not just referring to a color and that we're getting the details behind the metals we are shopping for. So this Better Beader starts out with a cautionary tale of a young girl about 10 years old on the boardwalk in Ocean City, New Jersey, that buys a mood ring that she saved money for. This might be me. And I purchased this mood ring that there was in a shop, and there was some for like $2, and then there was this one down in another shop that was $25. I liked the cut of the $25 one, the fit of it. Bought this silver mood ring only to get home and have my finger turn green right away. Now what happens, I did not ask what it was made from. What made it from a $2 product to a $20 product? What was I getting and what was I looking for? I made the poor assumption that the $2 one was cheaper than the $20 one, with just the term silver. So the products were actually not any different. The other company just did a better job marketing it, that they could put them at a higher cost. It wasn't sterling silver like I expected for the cost. It was just another silver-plated brass, turning my finger green and making me really sad that I had worked hard to make $25. That's a cautionary tale when you're looking at different products and learning to read labels and making sure that you're buying the products that you think you are. I've seen a lot of people mention recently Tibetan silver, or that it's silver beads, or that they're gold beads. I want to caution against the words silver or even gold. Those are color descriptors. The word silver is not telling you what the metal or the alloy or the makeup is. That is just a color. I can have silver seed beads that are not going to be silver in makeup. They don't have any silver with them. They're just a silver color. Same thing with my pewter. It could say silver because it's a silver color, but it's actually pewter. Is my pewter lead-free? I need to read those product details when I'm buying and when I'm purchasing things. When it comes to things labeled Tibetan silver, I always prefer to go with pewter, like these daisy spacers. To me, Tibetan silver is just a style. It's an antiqued look silver that is usually going to be a less expensive, may not even have any actual sterling silver or any of the silver metal in it. It's just a silver color. Generally, you're looking at nickel or you're looking at lead that's added to get the silver color. Lead could even be described as silver because it's silver in color. It's not lead color. Maybe that is in Crayola, but it looks like it is silver, so some people will call it silver. Don't be duped into thinking that the word silver means that it's sterling silver or Tibetan silver, that there's actually any silver in it whatsoever. It might have an alloy or a metal in it that turns it to look like that silver color, but you're not talking about a fine silver coating. Fine silver, or 99% fine silver, refers to the silver being 99% pure sterling, or pure silver, excuse me. Sterling silver, when you're looking at things that you might be looking to buy, sterling silver or sterling is going to refer to 925, meaning that 925 basically grams of that is going to be actual fine silver. So you want to be cautionary when you're purchasing, when you're looking at things, to look at the labels and say, is this silver? Somebody could be selling this on another platform listed as silver, this cabochon setting. I'm going to list it as silver plated. So my customers know that it's not actually sterling silver. They already know that it's a silver plating. There's going to be even more usually descriptions in the products online. So if you're looking at a metal bead and it says antique silver, look at the descriptions on the items that you're purchasing, whether or not you're purchasing from us or through Etsy or through other sites as well. Be very, very cautious of the word silver And what does that silver mean? When you look up our Eva beads, you're going to see that it's a Zamek and that it's the silver coating on the Zamek and the metal. And get descriptions, look for resources, look for videos. And if you're not sure, ask the seller. Never assume because something's $25 that it's going to be sterling versus the same products that's $2. The questions that you want to know and ask are going to be, is silver just the word because it refers to the color, or is silver actually a descriptor of the metal itself? The silver metal or the silver bead. Remember, you can get seed beads. These are gold here, but these say they're gold beads. Yeah, they're gold beads maybe if you're buying them from a seller that doesn't give great details. But these are Duracoat gold. They're a gold color that are coated on glass. To the naked eye, somebody might think they're actually a gold metal. Read those product details so you're not disappointed with the details that you only get after using a product. Find those details out first, like Tibetan silver, not sterling silver. If you're looking at Hill Tribe silver, that's going to be more pure silver. So look at those indicator words, sterling, Hill Tribe, look at that indicator word, Tibetan, to know whether or not something is actually just a silver color or whether or not, like the Potomac's wire, it's 99% fine silver coated over copper. It's great to know what the base metal is. It's great to know that I have the Zamek as the Potomac Eva beads when you're looking at it. It's great to know that the pewter is lead-free. These could say silver with them, but if I dig a little bit more, maybe they'll say pewter in the listing. Know what you're looking for. It doesn't mean necessarily if it's too good to be true on the price, it might be too good. So keep that as a cautionary tale as well. So when looking at the word silver, what does silver mean? Good question. The word silver in my mind, I have trained myself to say silver is a color. From that knowledge, I know that it is silver colored. Now I can dig a little bit further and say, all right, how did it get its silver color? Is it sterling silver coated? Is it that Tibetan silver where it's going to have just the silver color, be a lead or zinc? What's getting that silver color to it? Look at the product descriptions, look at the info that's on the packaging. Often there'll be more info that's on the package, more info on the website than is on the packaging. And if you have questions, make sure to ask. Don't assume because something's labeled as silver that it's going to be sterling silver or that it's going to be 99% fine silver. Don't let that single word deceive you into making a purchase that might be like me, where you end up with a green ring finger and very sad because your mood ring that you saved $20 on to buy, ended up not being actually sterling silver because I trusted the word silver and I didn't ask the questions. Thanks so much for tuning in to another Better Beader episode. Remember, if you want to check out all the rest of the Better Beader episodes, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything from us here at Potomac Beads. You can also give your cautionary tales of buying different metals and different items in the actual feedback in the comment section of this video. So were you duped like me when I was younger? Let us know in that comment section. Remember also, these Better Beader episodes are meant to help you to become better at your craft. As Potomac Beaders, we want you to be informed, educated, and know what you're getting and what you're spending money on. As always, you can join us at PotomacBeads.com, check out our Facebook group as for beading and jewelry making, and check out us on other social media platforms. Thanks so much for joining in, and hopefully you enjoyed this Better Beader episode.